Earn anywhere from $1,000 all the way up to $2,000 a day with affiliate marketing. And today I have a brand new AI tool to help you make all that money without even doing any hard work at all. If you're someone who doesn't have that much time on their hands and you cannot afford to sit in front of a computer all day, then this is literally the perfect video for you. Or even if you're just feeling lazy and don't want to work all day. Either way, this strategy will allow you to get paid big time in pure passive income doing nothing at all. And with all of that said, let's now get right into this tutorial. Today, I have an affiliate marketing strategy to share, and it's a bit different from my regular ones. I won't tell you to go to one specific website and promote one specific type of offer. In this case, actually, literally any offer will do. And when I say any offer, I mean that. So basically, anything. Now, with that said, that doesn't mean you should just grab an affiliate link to the first offer you find. Even though this will still work, you probably won't make that much money. So your very first step, guys, would be to choose what kinds of offers do you want. So, do you want offers related to losing weight, for example? Perhaps offers that help people make money online, so in the business niche, offers all about travel, and so on. Since there are so many to choose from, what you can do is actually just go over to Google, search for best affiliate marketing niches, and you'd be able to find a ton of articles. One I've opened up here as an example gives a pretty good idea of which categories are good and which are not. And if you've been watching me for a long time, you probably remember me recommending some of these to you, like the health and fitness niche, the travel niche, the business niche, and so on. So what you now want to do is pick one of these, and then your next step will be to actually grab an affiliate link to an offer or website that you want to promote. And now, depending on what niche you went for, your next step will vary. If you decided to go for a category related to online business, making money, or just business in general, then you want to use this website here called partnerstack.com. And what this basically is a platform that is affiliated to a bunch of other companies that are primarily software related. In other words, people who go to their websites are most of the time business type people. And so if you went with the business niche, it's a fantastic idea to find some website you can promote on partnerstack.com. And as you can all see, you can literally find a ton of websites that you can promote as an affiliate. And thanks to Partner Stack, as you can all see, you have the affiliate commissions visible right here on their website. So you won't even have to bother going to some of these platforms. So basically, what you now want to do is just grab a link to one of these. The actual process I don't want to cover since that'll make this video too long. And since there are so many different websites, the sign-up process will vary from one to another as well. Anyhow, in the event that you decided to go for a different niche other than business, which is fine, I highly recommend you then go to an affiliate marketplace like digistore24.com here. There's also ClickBank, CPA Grip, CPA Lead, and so many other ones that are out there. On any one of these mentioned websites, you can find offers in basically any category. So no matter if you decided to focus on health and fitness or something entirely different like travel, you'll be able to find an offer related to that on the website. What you want to make sure, though, is that the offer you find offers good commissions and that the actual cost of the product is similar to other ones. A product too expensive won't get you much purchases, while one that's too cheap won't make you much money. So you want to find a nice middle ground when choosing what you want to promote. Once you do that, the most important part arguably is this: actually driving traffic. And I've shared a ton of ways you can get traffic on this channel. So using Facebook, YouTube, and so many other websites. Today, you won't be using any of them. You will instead want to use the ads on those websites to make money. And so what you can do, guys, is head over to sites where you can do that. Business.facebook.com is a website from where you can advertise your product on Facebook. Ads.google.com is for Google, and so on. Just search for YouTube ads, Google ads, or Facebook ads on Google, and these sites will be the first to pop up. And next, what you want to do is actually create that ad on these websites. And this is what makes them so awesome. Not only are they juggernauts in the company world nowadays, but you don't have to bother creating the ad from the outside. You can actually do that on the websites themselves. And that is what your next step will be. Obviously, depending on what you are promoting, you will create a different type of ad. If you went with a weight loss niche, for example, you can create an ad where you are advertising your weight loss product. If you went with the business niche, you can advertise your business product, and so on. I won't go too much into depth with how you can run your ads, guys, mainly because if you go over to YouTube and search, you'll easily be able to find literally thousands of useful tutorials to help you out. What I instead want to do is show you a way to boost your revenue from those ads to maximize the amount of clicks you get. And it's all possible thanks to this website right here called Dolphin. And what makes this website so awesome and literally perfect for you is that it's not a website that'll help you get more money from your advertising. It's a website specifically designed for affiliates who are promoting their offers on Facebook, YouTube, or Google. And that is why it's so incredibly useful for you. And before you all freak out about having to invest money into this platform as well as pay for ads, as you can all see on this page right here, not only do they offer a free pricing plan, but even the paid ones have a 4-day free trial, which sure isn't long, but it's nonetheless pretty awesome and helpful that you don't have to pay this website right away. Yet, it can be so useful for you. Just think about this for a second. Once you actually set this all up and get those ads ready, then use this platform to get more sales through them, your work will basically be done. You won't have to do anything for a long time, and you'll be able to make money online. That same money that you've made, you can then just reinvest into this website, and from there, you'll be good to go for a long time. What you can do to make this even better is find even more offers down the road and advertise those products as well to further boost your income. Just keep reinvesting what you make without even doing any work to begin with. As easy as that. If this video taught you something new and you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like down below in support, and also check out some of my other videos that you might like. Since I upload new videos here basically daily, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you in some of the next videos.